Have you ever been on cloud nine? Or met someone whose success rose like a meteor? And is kindness really a universal truth? Today in Cosmic English, we're exploring space-inspired idioms that make your English powerful, expressive, and unforgettable. Let's launch. In astronomy, the universe includes everything, all space, time, stars, and galaxies. So when something is a universal truth, it applies everywhere. Like gravity applies everywhere in the cosmos.
It's a universal truth that practice helps you improve.
It's a universal truth that everyone needs rest.
It's a universal truth that kindness makes the world better.
What do you think is a universal truth in life? A meteor flashes brightly for a few seconds, dramatic, unforgettable, then disappears. So this idiom describes rapid success. Or sometimes a quick downfall.
Her popularity on social media was like a meteor. She became famous in just 1 week.
His business success was like a meteor, fast and impressive.
The singer's career was like a meteor, bright at first. But it didn't last long.
We associate clouds with height. So being on cloud nine means being emotionally high, in the best way possible.
She was on cloud nine after passing her exams.
He was on cloud nine when he bought his first car.
They were on cloud nine after hearing their baby's first words.
Have you ever been on cloud nine? To have one's head in the clouds means to be impractical or daydreaming.
Stop having your head in the clouds and focus on your work.
She had her head in the clouds and missed her bus stop.
He has his head in the clouds and isn't paying attention in class.
But remember the difference. When we say on cloud nine, we talk about happiness. When we say head in the clouds, we talk about not being practical or daydreaming. In the past, people thought the sky was the boundary. But today we know the sky is not the limit. Space goes far beyond. So metaphorically, this idiom means your potential is bigger than you think.
If you study hard, the sky's the limit.
With creativity and effort, the sky's the limit for your business.
When it comes to learning new skills, the sky's the limit.
So, Cosmic Vibers, which idiom describes you today? Meteor success. Head in the clouds. Living a universal truth. Or on cloud nine. Write your own sentence using one of these idioms in the comments. Don't forget to test your understanding with the quiz below. And remember, in learning and in life, the sky is not the limit. See you in the next lesson with more space-inspired idioms and phrases.